It's that time of year, starting to mill. This is a walnut log. These slabs are 11 feet long, 18 to 24 inches wide. Those are some single slabs. Here's a real nice book match pair that's about 4 feet wide on the wide end. This pair here, 11 foot long, about 4 foot wide on the long end. These are all 10-quarter slabs, so they're cut to 2.5 inches each in thickness. And then we're at the other end of the log to get a little bit narrower. So we got these two actually book matched, but I got them individual numbers on each one here. So this log, no nails. It's got some curl in it. Nice log.